Hi students, today we are going to study the numerical on stadia method. In previous video, we are going to rewrite the formula for the horizontal distance. The formula is d is equal to ks plus c. According to our study or survey, there is a different types of cases are available in the field. When the ground is plane, then the formula is d is equal to ks plus c. But when the case number two, when the ground is undulated, in that case, the formula for horizontal distance will be modified. We are case number one, when the line of sight is horizontal and staff is held vertical, therefore the horizontal distance d is equal to k times s plus c. Here the d is the horizontal distance or measured distance between two instruments. The instrument is transition rate to the staff placed vertically on the ground, that is the D. Here the D is the horizontal distance, S is the staff intercept. The staff intercept between the, it is the difference between the upper stadia hair and the lower stadia hair. This difference S is called as a staff intercept. Therefore the K is equal to multiplying constant, C equal to additive constant. According to our numerical number one, the numerical is the stadia reading with horizontal sight at a vertical staff held 50 meters away from the tachometer, where 1.385 and 2.380 meter. This is the hair readings. This one is the focal length of the object was 25 centimeters. The distance between the object glass and vertical axis of a tachometer was 15 centimeters. Calculate the stadia interval. In that case, the 50 meter is the horizontal distance. The distance between the center of tachometer to the center of the stadia staff. Then 1.385 and 2.380 is the hair reading. Here the 2.380 is the upper hair reading and 1.385 is the lower hair reading, both in meters. According to our derivation prescribed in previous video, the d is equal to f by I into s plus f plus d. Here the f is the focal length distance. Therefore, the f is equal to 0.25 meter. Then horizontal distance from this instrument to the staff held vertically. This is the horizontal distance, that is the d, is generally available in 50 meter, and s is the difference between R2 minus R1. Here the R2 is the upper hair readings and R1 is the lower stadia hair reading. The difference between the R2 minus R1 is called as a staff intercept. The value is 0.995 meter. Here the R2 is 2.380 meter and R1 is the 1.385 meter, and here the D. From optical center to the vertical axis distance is D. You go through it the previous video. Then the D is equal to 0.15 meter. All the values put in equation number 1. Then the equation is 50 equal to 0.25 multiplied by 0.995 plus 0.25 plus 0.15. Then the solving this equation, we get the answer of I equal to 0.005 meters, or you can also write down the I equal to 5 mm. That is my final answer, and that is also called as a stadia interval. Then next numerical, the staff held vertically at a distance of 50 meter and 100 meter from the center of the theodolite with a stadia hair. The staff intercept with the telescope is 0.500 and 1.000 meter respectively. The instrument was then set up over a station P of RL 1850.95 meter, and the total height of the instrument was 1.475 meter. The hair reading on the staff held vertically at station Q were 1.050 1.900 and 2.750 meter with the line of sight horizontal. Calculate the horizontal distances of PQ and RL of Q point. According to our numerical, here the two distances are given. The first distance is the 50 meter, that is converted into the D1, and the second distance is the 100 meter, that is also converted into the D2. And according to this, the staff intercept are also available, that is 0.5 and 1.000. Therefore, the S1 is equal to 0.5 meter and S2 is equal to 1.00 meter respectively. Therefore, you want to find the horizontal distance of PQ equal to D. Then here reading are also given. The bottom reading is the 1.050 meter, middle reading is the 1.900 meter, and the top reading is the 2.750 meter. And also you have to find the RL of Q point. In that condition, you have to given the RL of P. The value is the 1850.950 meter, and the height of the instrument is 1.475 meter. Let's go to find out the horizontal distance of PQ. In according to our derivation, the equation of the D is K times S plus C. In that case, we can't find, we are not having the value of K and C. You have to find the value of K and C first of all. For that equation, you have to put the value of D1 and D2 value and also put the value S1 and S2. Where we are putting this value, the equation is 50 is equal to K times 0.005 plus C, that is the equation number 1. Then the second value 100 is equal to K times 1.000 plus C in equation number 2. Therefore, C equation is also modified from this. Therefore, the C is equal to 50 minus 0.005 times K. This equation is from equation number 1. And this value, equation number 3, is put in the equation number 2. Then the equation is being modified is here you can find out the value of K. Here you can find out the value of K, that is 100. Then put the value of K in equation number 3. Then C equal to 50 minus 0.005 times K, that is equation number 3. Put the value of K over here and find out the value of C. Therefore, the C is equal to 50 minus 0.005 multiplied by 100. The value of C is 0. According to the data given, to start finding out the distance D, you have to find the D and you have to find also the RL of Q. In that case, the RL of P is the 1850.950 meter. This is the height of instrument, that is the 1475, and this is the hair readings. Here the top hair reading, middle hair reading, and the bottom hair reading. The difference between 2.750 minus 1.050, you can calculate the value of S. Therefore, the RL of height of instrument is 1852.425. How to find RL of height of instrument is the RL of P is 1850.950 plus 1.475. The addition of both this equation, you get the value of 1852.425 meter. That is the RL of height. Let's go for the horizontal distance and the RL of Q. The horizontal distance is equal to Ks plus C. That is the equation number 1. Now S is the staff intercept. The upper hair reading is a 2.750 minus lower hair reading is a 1.050. The difference between these two values, the staff intercept is 1.700 meter. You also know the value of K is 100 and value of C is 0. Put this all the values in equation number 1. We get D is equal to 100 in bracket 1.700. Therefore, the D is equal to 170 meter. That is the horizontal distance between P to Q. Then calculation of RL of Q point. Therefore, the RL of Q is equal to the RL of point P plus height of instrument minus middle hair reading. Therefore, the RL is equal to 1850.95 plus 1.475 minus 1.900. Therefore, the RL of Q is equal to 1850.525 meter. That is final answer for the RL of